Okay, connecting, just click after you already select the clear form X-probe, just click on the icon, then the plug is connect will be a picture with the orange color, something like this. Okay, open. Where is
the folder?
Maybe I copy the cat.
So this is what I have, inspector, then exercise. I already have that. So this one is located at desktop inspector. That's all.
Thank you. Okay, I import the cat. Okay, import cat models, and then the desktop. It's the machine cover. ITS. This part. In case you have cat, first I teach with the cat. Normally, if you want to probe for alignment, these icons are the features. You just click. This one is the multiple types, means that you can click any feature detect from the cat. The method is pick on cat model. Your mouse will become the finger, then you put on the cat. Left click one time will come one feature. Another one is circle and circle. And then if I want a line between two circles, I just select circle 1 and 2. Create the line. Method, not from cat, but from objects. Objects means you already select two circles. Sub method is the center points, and then create. Now you have already plain line and center points. But before you alignment, you need to probe first. There are two ways to probe. You can select all, right click and probe measure. Or you just play inspection here. Play inspection means you start from the beginning to the end. But if you right click means that you can select. If you don't want to probe plane, you just right click and probe. Something like this. But this case we already connect.
Yeah, connected. Disconnect already, right? Just
maybe sorry. Already connect?
Yeah.
Okay, I just play inspection. So the picture will review for the user to probe following to the picture.
Yeah, the one.
Is it far enough? This is a 6 mm.
Because it's not calibrated. I already see bypass, but it's very fast. I bypass C-track, but I have to calibrate the probe. So calibrate with cone.
So it should have the VX. So also
Yeah, when we sell, it comes with the most basic version already. You see for all this plugin and stuff.
Can we with the table is okay.
Should be okay. Just want to find cancel and then we start.
And we start the program function.
On
Close the program.
okay,
It's connecting.
Okay, we close the window. Then we go right click 600 put and we will comment. Okay, good. So can you talk to that one? Put it down. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, good. Okay. Start.
Finish.
Yeah.
Very fast.
Yeah.
My last time see the calibration process quite long.
Oh.
But this one really fast. Many years ago.
So now we connect the probe.
Okay.
And then we run the program. Operation cannot be performed
Inspection process. What is inspection process? Oh, okay, sorry. Stop first.
Doesn't show me where it's 0.1.
Because not alignmented. It's too
Very loud.
very loud.
You straight away become weak. Okay, 4 points.
Next is a circle one. Sorry. From the conference, so
From the conference.
yeah, need to be really loud.
Understand?
Okay, for this one, in case constraining plane, we have already probed. We changed to plane features, but we can set since the beginning.
Okay. Understand.
So
So this one I have to probe that hole, right?
this hole, another one. This one.
Yeah.
No, another one. This one. Yeah.
Correct.
Okay, this one. Okay, this one.
Yeah.
Another hole.
You want to set the plane or no need to set the plane?
It
It's already plane one.
yeah, it's remember. Okay, thank you. Finish.
Okay.
Can I minimize this one?
Yes.
Or can
You can close.
close can?
Yeah. That is minimized. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, now you can see this is the XYZ of the cap. This one from the hardware. So easiest way to alignment is plane axis center point. From the plane axis center point, it also has the sequence inside. 6 sequence means that which one is a priority, which one you want to lock, and 0 error. If plane line point, plane axis center point means you lock plane first and then set line and center. Okay, for this case, I use a common one, is a plane line point. I pick on the plane, pick plane 1, spacebar to see the alignment. This is a real-time preview for you. Okay, this is a plane 1. Next axis is the line 1. You just click on the name line 1. The last one is circle 1. Circle 1 will be 0 error because it's a first datum to use, and then confirm. Now the part already aligned.
Can you switch the direction at the alignment place? Like for example, you have this line, you're going it like from here to here this way. If I want to switch the direction, can I adjust it in the alignment menu? Or I have to construct this?
You need to, because this alignment to the coordinate of the cap. If you want it to like another way, you need to move coordinate first before you align.
Okay.
The coordinate and alignment is not the same. Okay, again, I go back to the original, not alignment yet. And this icon is for move the coordinate. If you want, we have 3 methods. If you want to rotate part, rotate like Z to goes down, suppose like that. You move this one 180. You can click one time to preview first, like this. Okay, and then you create. Now you have another coordinate system. After that, if you make the alignment is not it's totally different from the move coordinate. Coordinate is from the cap. Alignment is what you probe and then put to the cap part. If I go back to the first coordinate, the result will change only the plus or minus sign. Like this. Okay, and next, this is already aligned. If you want to check the part like a real time, you can right click on the cap and put the view or inspect mode. Means that this is when you put the probe on the part, this one will real time see the error for adjust the part like this. These are good for like jig or something to.
So at the corner there you have the position and the distance.
Yes, you use the cap to detect.
So position is telling me by right the cap value at this point should be there.
This
and
is a
distance. Deviation.
Yes.
So I'm deviating exact.
Yes.
Okay. Very good.
This we call the view inspect mode. Okay. Next, in case you probe more than like 2 features, now you have a plane line point. But if I want to probe like another 2 circles, I just pick on cap again. 1, 2. As I told you just now, we can set before select 2 circles, right click properties. Inside the properties, there will be the measurement tab. The method is probe. This one is the same window that when you probe. You choose not local plane, but it's the plane feature. You specific it's on the plane one. So when you probe, there will be no message warning that you use the constraining plane. But if you said you don't want to choose every time, you can go to the options. Okay, object, features, and probe. Inside is a curve base. Curve base is a circle, you can see inside. Circle, slot, rectangle, all the curve base that has the plane to project. You just click change from local plane to use plane feature. Only this. Use plane features means software will recognize that the plane come before itself will be used to project. Suppose you have two planes and then circle 1, circle 2. Circle 1 and 2 will project on plane 2.
Plane 1.
If you have plane 1 and plane 2, in case you have two planes.
So the last plane.
The last plane, yes. Okay, suppose I probe again. Can you probe for me? After you align, now you can see your probe. Thank you. Okay. You can see we have now 4 circles. Another type of alignment by select all the features here, but not line. Plane, 4 circles, and then alignment. This alignment is more effective when you have more than 2 features. We call best fit measurement objects, means that all the features are used to align, and you can also lock the axis. For the plane, here I lock the Z axis, so I release the X and Y. Circle 1, 2, 3, 4, I lock X, Y, no Z, like this. And then I start. This is another type of alignment. Normally when you have more than 2 features, more than 2 circle or slot, you can use this type of alignment. Can I edit something? Display and rotation, because I cannot see all. Okay, this is how to use a second alignment. So we have plane line point, we have best fit measurement object. Okay, this one is a 3 planes alignment. Maybe we have 3 planes. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay, can you probe for me again? Okay, I already have this plane. Second plane is here. Oops. Third plane is here. Okay. Small one here. Another side. This side, this side. Yes. Thank you. Okay, now you have plane 1, plane 2, and plane 3. I select. Okay, I go to alignment, perpendicular planes alignment. You select measurement first. Plane 1 measurement, it will match with the plane 1 nominal automatically. Plane 2 measurement and plane 3 measurement. In case you don't have cat, you can use like X plus or like plane line point, but you use 3 planes instead and then align. This a little bit shift, you can see, because we used only the plane to lock. The center will shift like this, see, because we lock only plane. But if we lock best fit measurement object, it will fix the center. Okay. This is a difference of the alignment methods.